guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my 2K subscriber giveaway. I am beyond excited to film this video for you guys. Don't mind the hair, I'm rocking a little messy bun, alright? But I am beyond excited to film this video for you guys. I never thought I would even hit 1,000 subscribers, let alone 2,000 subscribers. I cannot believe there's that many of you that support me, and I am so thankful for each and every one of you, especially the ones that have been with me since the beginning. I love you so much. Thank you so much for all your support. Literally every single one of you mean the entire world to me, and that is why I'm doing this giveaway today. I had to give back to one of you guys because I just had to, okay? It feels like the right thing. But so yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see what's in this giveaway. I'm gonna show you kind of like the bigger prizes in this giveaway, and then there's gonna be extra little stuff that nobody's gonna know about until you get it in your mail. So yeah, like I said, there will be little things that you won't see in this video that you're gonna get in the mail with your giveaway. But right now I'm gonna show you the big, really exciting stuff, and I'm just so excited. I can't wait for one of you guys to get all of this stuff. So if you want to see what's going to be in this giveaway, then just stay tuned. And also, before I forget, all the rules will be at the end of this video and also in the description, so be sure to check it out. But so yeah, just keep on watching. First and foremost, the first thing I have is this Bare Minerals Star Signs Gen Nude Lip Duo. These come with 2 glosses. It comes with a buttercream lip gloss in sugar and a patent lip lacquer in the shade In Can't Even. But it just comes with 2 glosses, and I love these. These are so bomb, so I had to give this to one of you guys so you can try it out and let me know like how bomb it is, because it's good. It's good, girl, okay? It's good. Okay, so the next thing is the PYT It's a Girl's World Mini Straightener. And it's literally the cutest thing. It comes in this little like case to travel with. Look how mini. It's so cute, and I heard a lot of great things about this, so I am super excited for one of you guys to get this and try it out. The next thing is this Spongely Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. So basically this is just a body sponge that has like body wash in it. I did get this in my BoxyCharm. I got both of these things in my BoxyCharm, but I knew I wasn't going to use them, so I'd rather give them to someone that is going to use them. And I wasn't a huge fan of the scent of this, so I'm curious to see if you guys like the scent of it. It reminds me of laundry detergent, at least the one I have at my house, which smells like kind of good, but I don't want to smell like my laundry. I don't know. But so yeah, I decided to give this to one of you guys because I know I won't use it, and I'd rather give it to someone that will. I have a few little things that I will show you guys. The rest of it's going to be a surprise, but one of it is a CoverGirl mascara. I have the CoverGirl Vita Glow Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. I have some eyelash glue in black and clear. And I have a bunch of other stuff in this bag, but that's some of the main stuff. Now for the big grand surprise of this giveaway. I'm so excited to give this to one of you guys. I do own it. I absolutely love it. I went to Ulta at 9 o'clock in the morning because I was going to order it online and it wasn't found online at all. So I went to Ulta early in the morning, like I think I had to be there for 9 o'clock, and there was a line out the door just for this palette. Hint, hint. So I am giving away the Morphe James Charles palette. And I'm super excited for one of you guys to get this. It has been sold out everywhere. Like, they can't keep this bad boy in stock. So I was like, I have to get it for one of my subscribers because I know one of you guys would love this, especially if you weren't able to get your hands on it. Now you will. But so yeah, this is brand new James Charles palette, and I have one of my own and I absolutely love it, and I had to get one for you guys. Okay guys, so that is it for this giveaway. I'm super excited for one of you to win all of this. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is be sure to subscribe to my channel and comment down below your most favorite makeup product or products, doesn't matter. I'm in need of trying some new things, so let me know in the comments down below some of you guys' favorite products. To get an extra entry, all you have to do is follow my Instagram. It's optional. You don't have to do it in order to enter. But so yeah, that will be linked down below along with all the rules for this giveaway. Just in case I didn't explain myself clearly, it will all be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. And so yeah, good luck. Ooh, there's a little piece of dust or something. Okay, so good luck to all of you guys. I cannot wait for one of you to win this. But yeah, just good luck to all of you guys. And I'm super excited for this video. Again, thank you so much for all your love and support. I love every single one of you, like with all my heart. Like, you all mean the entire world to me. And I'm super excited for one of you guys to get this. Don't worry, if you don't win this giveaway, there will be plenty more in the future. I love giving back to you guys, so I'm always doing giveaways as much as I can. But so yeah, good luck to all of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.